MegaSquirtulous launch control and flat foot shifting. Quick rundown. This is our engine. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. When you slam your throttle shut to shift a manual transmission with a turbocharged engine, it lets all your boost out either through a blow-off valve or back through your turbo. Basically, it causes lag. It blows all your boost out. You have to rebuild again after you shift. What flat foot shifting allows you to do is keep your throttle open while you shift, so that your boost never gets blown out through your blow-off valve or through your turbo, and it's ready by the time you shift. Simple. And launch control is the same thing. You just hold your throttle open, computer limits your RPM, and it builds boost. So this is my clutch switch. It's for a guitar foot pedal of all things. Reason being, number one, it's tough because it's designed to be stepped on. And two, it's a normally closed switch. The reason why it needs to be a closed switch is because MegaSquirt needs to see a closed circuit when the clutch is pressed down. So this is my little setup. Very simple bracket, just two pieces of metal.
Got the switch up there, top of the clutch's travel. It presses the button. It's a very complex setup.
1142 down to a 1020. That's a big damn difference for a $3 switch. So here are data logs. This one is without flat foot shifting. This one is with flat foot shifting. And these dips here are when I shift. And without flat foot shifting, I'm down to negative 10.6 PSI, basically vacuum. Whereas over here, with flat foot shifting, while I'm shifting, I still have 3.2 PSI built up. The peak pressure is the same. That's not gonna change. All it does is reduce lag, and you can see that the dip, not only does it dip down farther, it's also wider than over here. Basically, we're making more boost more of the time, which makes it faster. There you go. After setting it up, it made me realize that I have a habit of resting my foot on the clutch before I shift. And every time it would do that, it would kill the engine. So I had to stop doing that. I don't really know how to end the video, so subscribe!